Now we'll see a shortcut method for hexadecimal to binary conversion. This is just a reflection or reverse of binary to hexadecimal. Okay, so in this we need to follow two steps. That first step is that we need to convert each digit of hexadecimal number to a 4-digit binary number. What we have to do here, whatever the given hexadecimal number is there, that needs to be converted into its equivalent 4 digits, 4 binary numbers. Then we need to combine all the resulting binary groups into a single binary number. Then we are going to get the hexadecimal to binary number. Okay, so in this we have a questions like FEED, feed of base 16, which needs to be converted into binary. Okay, first we have to take all the digits, all the given digits or alphabets. So what is F? That is 15. Okay, and E is nothing but 14, another E is 14, and D is 13. Okay, so what is the equivalent of 15 in hexadecimal? That is F. So this 15 needs to be converted into binary, so that we need to follow 8421 format. Okay, how can we represent this 15 in 8421 format or binary format? That is 1111. Okay, how can we get 14? So by adding 8 and 4 and then 2. 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14, then 0. So another 14 is nothing but same as the previous, so that 1110. Then how can we get 13? By adding 8 plus 4 and then 1, 12, then 1 is 13. Okay, so from this way or from MSB to LSB, we need to combine all the resulting binary groups into a single binary value. Okay, so the equivalent value of this feed to binary is 4 ones, then 1110, this one, again this one, that is 1110, then last one, that is 1101. So equivalent radix is 2, because we have converted the given hexadecimal to binary. Okay, so these kind of problems are very important in your examinations. And now I want to convert other number like DE07. Okay, this is hexadecimal that needs to be converted into binary. Okay, so first we need to write DE07. So what is the equivalent value of D? That is 13, then 14, 0 and 7 as it is. Okay, so equivalent of binary is nothing but what? 13. How can we represent? By adding these three values, that is 8 plus 4 plus 1. Then for 14 we can add these three values, that is 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14, then 1 will be 0. For 0, 4 zeros. Okay, for 7 we are going to get 1111, which is succeeded by 0. Okay, so we need to write from this way, so that the output will be what? 111, 1101, and then 1110, then 4 zeros, again 0, 111. Base is what? 2. Okay, so this is how conversion of hexadecimal to binary needs to be done. Okay, so these kind of problems are very important. So what if we have any hexadecimal point, so we need to take this A, then B, and then 8, then C. Okay, equivalent of value of A is 10, B is 11, and 8 is as it is, C is, the value of C is nothing but 12. Okay, how can we represent this 10 with binary value? So we need to follow 8421 again, so that 1010, then for 11 1011, and for 8 1000, for 12 1100. Okay, and we need to follow this criteria, that is AB hexadecimal point, then again 2 digits, that is 8 and C. So that we need to write first 2 digit value, that is 101010, this value, and again second one, that is 1011. After writing 2 digits we need to put hexadecimal point. Okay, then 81000, then for C that is 1100. Okay, and base or radix is 2. So if you are getting any hexadecimal point, then you need to write equivalent binary value of those two numbers along with the hexadecimal point and then remaining binary digits. Okay, so this is shortcuts which needs to be used in order to convert any given hexadecimal to binary numbers. Thank you.